Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the Suncorp Bank's reward program and how does it work. So to do this procedure, you open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in the link that is suncorpcardservices.com.au/rewards. That's gonna take you to their official page. So here you should be able to see the list of rewards and benefit features that they offer. So you can see this is the section where you can see how you can select your credit card. So accordingly, they have the cashback annual free credit card as well as e-vouchers, and you could also go ahead and read this information as well. So here you could find out that the ways to redeem as well as how does it actually work. So you could also go with the detailed information by tapping on the particular or specific credit card. All for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.